Summer. Don't you just love summer? Summer is a time to get out of the house and do stuff. This summer is going to be great. I'll be hanging out with my friends and skateboarding a lot. I might visit a national park and go hiking. I might go camping in the woods. I will go to the movies and have fun. I won't do any homework. I definitely won't be studying at all. I won't be in school and bored to death. I will sleep in every day until 9 a.m. I'll party with my friends and have fun. I'll chill out and do nothing. Enjoy your summer holiday. What are you going to do this summer? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. The end.